Once your token is live and the bot is running, sniper bots will likely buy in within the first few seconds. Your seller bot will detect these buys and sell your tokens instantly, locking on the profits. Today, I'm dropping some serious sauce on how to make profits with Solana meme coins using a method called sniper farming. And guess what? We're using a bot to automate the process. So what we gonna do? We're gonna create a token and lure in snipers and sell on the perfect amount of profits. Stick around and I'm gonna basically break down all the method. This is gonna be very helpful. First, let's break down sniper farming. So sniper farming is a strategy where you create a meme coin on Pumfon uh, or any Solana based platform where anyone can launch a token for just 0.02 Sol. You design your token with keywords and attract sniper bots, those super fast automated bots that buy a new token the second they drop. Then, using a seller bot, you automatically sell your tokens within seconds. After the snipers buy, locking on some profits, some really good profits actually, from the early pumps. Basically, you are the first to buy, so you are only losing the money of the fees. Basically, this is the only thing you're losing when you're trying this. That's the only risk. So basically, this seller bot is the key factor here. All you gotta do is start it out and start now. Basically, um, this is the soul seller bot. This bot is made for preventing the snipers from getting on your launch, right? But people actually using it for generating massive profits. I've got a wallet. I've got a wallet over here that been abusing this method actually and generating massive profits. There we go. 275k in a really small short period of time. Basically last 30 days. Yeah, he made this last 30 days. The last 7 days he made 27k. On the last day, literally he's printing 1 to 2k a day. Yeah, this is some crazy profits. Anyways, so basically all you gotta do is start now, and here's the steps. This is a really a very fast setup guide. Anyways, all you gotta do is import the wallet, and I'm gonna grab my private key really quickly. Okay, there we go, wallet imported. Your wallet has been successfully imported. Set wait time and activate the soul seller bot to proceed. So basically, you can set the time here. I like to keep it on 3 seconds and activate the bot. Basically, bot is activated and you can go ahead and create a token. Basically, you go to Pumfon and you start a new coin. So the thing here is you gotta go with some keywords on the description or on the name and all. You gotta come up with something eye-catching for the snipers. So you gotta go with something that lures the snipers into sniping your token, and just like that you're gonna be making profits. Here's a really quick example on this trade here. So basically this is the wallet I just showed you. This wallet is making huge profits basically using this method. And yeah, we see here he coming. So basically, this is some error with Pump the 30 sol. It's not there. Just like ignore it. Uh, he didn't like create a coin with 30 sol. He just grabbed 10 sol and started a coin with that. This is some ad from Pump. So basically, we just ignore this. Anyways, so basically, he created this token with 10 sol, grabbing like 266 million of the supply. Basically, 25% of the supply is uh, he grabbed 25% of the supply. And yeah, on the 27th second, he created this token. And then a couple of snipers bought this token. Then after that, and they actually sold, and then another sniper bought, and then our boy right here sold after 4 seconds. If he sold after 3 seconds, he would be locking these profits down. But he kind of like waited a bit, and he set his bot for 4 seconds, and he lost that. But actually he didn't lose, because he actually, there's another sniper that bought before he sold, and he sold 5.3 and 5.9, basically going with 10, selling with almost 1.2 sold profit. Basically he made 200 bucks out of this. And yeah, this is the method. I advise anybody who's gonna try this to go with something near this. He went with 10 sol. I advise you to go from 5 to 10 sol to get profitable with this. Basically, only one bought, and he made 1 sol out of it. 1 sol point 2 point something. Anyways, so I advise anybody who's gonna try this to go with from 5 sol to 10 sol. And yeah, this is it. So that's all for this method. That's all for this method, and I'll see you in another video. You can try it out and tell me in the comments how that went. This is a very useful platform for trading and meme coins in general. So if you're trying to get on Axiom Pro, it's a only invite access kind of platform. The link is gonna be in the description below. And yeah, go check it out. What's going on, everybody? I just want to share with you a win I've got. Uh, I'm actually testing out the method and doing some research recently, and I just got this very nice win. I've came in with enormous amount, actually 15 sol bought in on this coin showing you right here. This is Pump Fun. I've bought with 15 sol, and I've got like a bunch of snipers buying it out after me. And yeah, I've managed to like actually sell a bit at first, and then I uh, clipped the whole 12 sol out here. So 12 and 4. I've seen the comments, somebody trying to like learn how to like create coins and pump on. So I'm gonna show you right here. It's really easy, like anybody can do it. So basically you go to pump on and you start a new coin. So basically for the name I'm gonna go with MGJA. For the ticker it's gonna be that, but in this is gonna be a lowercase and this is gonna be uppercase. So yep, I'm not gonna go with no description, but for the socials this is the post we're going with, and I'm just gonna copy the link and add it to this URL, and I'm gonna add this picture. So yeah, then all you gotta do is create your coin. Basically, you gotta like be ready for it to see it. Just gonna go here, open another pom tab, and go to the advanced. So your coin is gonna like pop out here on the newly created. So basically, I'm gonna go here and create the coin. I'm gonna add like, so I always like suggest to go in with something between 3 sol and 7 sol. I've made like I've tested it with 15 sol, I've tested it with 10, with 2, with 3. So I'm gonna go with 2.5 for the sake of this tutorial. But I advise you to go from 3 to 7. If you're trying to like test it out with more than that, you can do that. But so let's go. All you gotta do is create the coin. Confirm on the Phantom wallet, and your coin is created. Basically, this is the coin. You can like check it out. In here, this is our coin. Once your token is live and the bot is running, sniper bots will likely buy in within the first few seconds. Your seller bot will detect these buys and sell your tokens instantly, locking on the profits.